Recently, I have received a couple of comments under this video where I saw they were unable to remember new English words constantly. I think you have same problem. It's a very common problem. Even I used to deal with it earlier. Now I am going to share how I remember new English vocabulary on a daily basis. I am going to show you 4 practical points. Yes, 4 practical points in which third one is the most important and fourth one is connected to the third one. And don't miss 1 and 2 because both are connected to the most important point, that is third point. Okay, so technically you have to watch this video carefully so that you can understand the 4 steps to remember new English words every day. So let's dive into this video. And after watching this full video, I guarantee you wouldn't need to search how to remember new words every day. So watch this video till the end. First step is understand the meaning of the word. Yes, understand the meaning of the word. If you want to try to remember a new word, first and furthermost is to know the exact meaning of that word. Look up on Google or dictionary. Understand the proper meaning of that word. Before you trying to remember a new word, you need to understand the exact meaning of the word. You need to know. If you don't know the meaning of the word, then it can be very difficult to understand and to remember the new word. Even I have already made a video that where I discovered a new way to search new words and new meanings of the words on Google. You can check it out. I will provide the link in this description under the video. Okay. Second point is make connection. Yes, you have to make connections between words and words. How? Let's see. Connecting a new word to something that you already know. Yes, that you already know. After searching or looking up on Google, you will get many synonyms of that unknown word. Then, what you need to do? You have to connect the word that you already know with the unknown word or with the search word. Okay, then it will be very easy to remember. Yes. For example, oblivious. Oblivious. Do you know what is the meaning of that word? If yes, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, let me share the tip by which you can remember this word endlessly, forever. So, carefully watch this video. When you search oblivious on Google, you will get careless. I hope that you know the word careless instead of oblivious. So connect to the word. You searched oblivious and it is related to the known word, that is careless, right? By which you can understand the meaning of the word oblivious, that is careless, and you can get to connect with the oblivious to careless. So oblivious means careless, or you can find inattentive. Okay, so see how easy this is to remember a new word. Then you can see the example which is available on Google. So oblivious means you know that word careless. Clear? And you can find a suitable example. For another example, suppose you look up on Google Dilemma. Dilemma. Now what's the meaning of that? You can find on Google. A difficult situation or problem. Problem or difficult situation. You can find and you can connect these known words to the dilemma, the unknown word. Now you are able to remember the exact meaning of the word dilemma, which is a difficult situation or problem. Okay. So the ultimate third point is use flashcards. Yes, use flashcards. See, our brain is photogenic. That means our brain is expert at storing and remembering visual informations. So flashcards are colorful and vibrant. So if you use flashcards to remember new words, it will be very easy to remember new words for brain. For example, you say Golgappa. What's on your mind? The first thing comes in your brain, that is the image, how it looks, how Golgappa looks, right? That's why our brain is photogenic brain. That means our brain can remember photos or pictures better than words. And here visuals can be great ways to remember the new words on a daily basis. So use flashcards, or you can use some sticky notes, colorful sticky notes that can be helpful for you to remember new words. Now the fourth point is, which is related to the third point. So the fourth point is use mnemonics. Now what is mnemonic? Mnemonic is a learning process or learning technique that helps you organize and recall the new words or the new information. Now, how can you use mnemonics? Right? Okay, let me tell you. Do you remember which month has 30 days and which month has 31 days? In the childhood, we learn a technique, that is knuckle. If the month is here at this position, then it has 31 days. And if the month is counted at this position, then it has 30 days except February, right? So January 31 days, February has 28 days, sometimes 29 days. Then March, it has also 31st days. April 30 days, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31. Then next here, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, and lastly December 31 days. So there was also rhyme to remember which month has 30 days and which month has 31 days. So let's do it. 30 days has September, April, June and November. February has 28 days alone. Rest of the months has 31 days. Got it, the rhyme? Yes, we used to remember. So this is a technique. It can be arithmetic or it can be a funny way to remember it. Right? That's how mnemonics plays. That's how mnemonic is used to remember all the things. For another example, we can say, did you see rainbow? Now there is a question I want to ask you. How many colors has rainbow? Can you remember? And here I am using the mnemonics, a technique like VIVGIOR. VIBGYOR, Vibgyor. If you want to remember Vibgyor, you will be able to remember all the colors of a rainbow. V stands for violet. I, indigo. B, blue. G, that suggests green. Y, yellow. O, orange. And lastly R, red. So it is very easy to remember all the colors of a rainbow just by remembering Vibgyor. And it is a mnemonic process. Got it? How to remember the new words, the new meaning of that words. Okay. I hope that you got the idea how to remember the new words on a daily basis. And if you are still watching this video, then please comment thank you. And also please like this video because it will motivate me to upload many videos and help you genuinely. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you soon in another helpful video. Till then, what to do? Enjoy English learning.